How big is infinite? Is it just the biggest number we can imagine? Or is there something even bigger than infinity? Buckle up, because this is going to bend your brain in the best way. What is infinity? Infinity isn't a number. It's an idea, a concept that means without end. You'll never reach infinity by counting. It's like asking, what's the last number? There isn't one. Mathematically, infinity is used to describe things that go on forever. Like the number line, it never stops. Different sizes of infinity. Here's where it gets weird. Not all infinities are equal. In the late 1800s, a mathematician named Georg Cantor discovered that some infinities are bigger than others. Wait, what? For example, the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on is infinite. But so is the set of real numbers between 0 and 1. Surprisingly, there are more numbers between 0 and 1 than there are whole numbers. Cantor called these different sizes of infinity cardinalities. He showed that the infinity of real numbers is uncountably infinite, a bigger kind of infinite. The Hilbert Hotel paradox. To understand how weird infinity gets, let's check into the world's strangest hotel, the Hilbert Hotel. It has infinite rooms, and all of them are full. But somehow, it can still fit more guests. How? Just move every guest to the next room. Room 1 goes to room 2, room 2 to room 3, and so on. Room 1 becomes free for the new guest. Infinity breaks all the rules of regular logic. It's like a never-ending cheat code for space. Infinity in the universe. Is the universe infinite? Scientists don't know for sure. The observable universe is finite, about 93 billion light-years across. But beyond that, maybe it never ends. And time? Some theories suggest time itself could be infinite, both into the future and the past. Others think the universe might loop or reset in a cosmic cycle. So how big is infinity? Bigger than anything we can imagine. And yet, not all infinities are the same. Some are countably infinite. Others are uncountably infinite. It's not just a number. It's a window into the limits of our logic and imagination. Want to blow your mind with more science mysteries? Hit that like button and subscribe, because we've only scratched the surface of the infinite.